5 signs that your boss is taking you for granted. Napapansin mo ba na ikaw lagi ang inaasahan, pero bihira ka naman ma-recognize ng boss mo? According to psychology, when effort is not acknowledged, yung brain mo nire-register to as an ongoing stress, which can eventually lead to burnout and exhaustion. Here are the 5 signs that you're not being valued by your boss. Number 1, dagdag trabaho pero walang recognition. Yung effort mo, mas marami, pero hindi ka naman na-appreciate. Number 2, ikaw lagi ang go-to person, pero wala ka namang support na nakukuha. Number 3, walang clear growth or feedback. Grabe ka magtrabaho, pero parang di ka nagpo-progress. Number 4, Argentina lahat. Palaging urgent. Constant pressure keeps your body in stress mode. Number 5, hirap ka mag-say no. Yung boundary parang unsafe kaya you keep overgiving. Pansinin mo kung ito ay pattern na at hindi one-time situation lang. Malinaw sa'yo kung ano yung i-allow mo moving forward. Start with small boundaries. I-clarify mo ano ba talaga yung role mo. Say no kapag kailangan. I-communicate mo sa kanila kung saan ka lang. You can also ask for feedback, support, or proper recognition. You deserve clarity and not just expectations. This is Dina saying, hard work matters, but so does being valued. For more guidance on boundaries, stress, and nervous system regulation, click the link on my bio or visit dinasalonga.com.
Ask Dina.